Hello everybody, welcome back to CoinCave's YouTube channel. Today I want to cover the USD Tether market cap dominance chart because it's showing me the signs of bottom formation in the cryptocurrency market. If you gave me only one indicator, one chart to go off with, I would be picking up the USDT dominance chart to trade cryptocurrencies, because it's been performing very well for me, because as I go only based on the USD Tether dominance chart. Yeah, the news matter, the geopolitical news around the world sometimes, but they're all set up, to be honest. All of them is just theater. So this is the USD Tether dominance chart on daily. So this was the spot where I exited my trading bag. As you guys know that I've got a trading bag and I've got a holding bag, which I've got for longer term holding. But the trading bag, I just get in, get out when I see potential trend reversal. What I see now is a potential topping formation for USD Tether, which means that the altcoins and the Bitcoin is going to go up. At this spot, usually we get a divergence. So it doesn't mean that we go straight down. So we might retest this level, which means a little bit of more bleeding for the altcoins, and then another test, which will give us a divergence. Usually it'll look like from here we go up there and then come back here and then make another hit, and then off we go down here, and then maybe get a little bounce back up, and this is what eventually I see happening in the market. So the USD Tether, usually you look for a divergence, same as this one, as you see. So this one started from here when we topped and we broke out of this trend. This is the same thing happening again, and then we get one more hit, and then the 3 hit. So which gave us a clear divergence on daily. So usually when I trade based on divergences, I go on 3 confirmations, like this one, 1, 2, 3, like this one, 1, 2, 3. So we've hit the first one. I'm waiting to hit the second one, and I'll be entering at the second one. So, and dollar cost averaging depending on the charts. So I'm not going to put all my money at once when it hits here. I'll probably go with 50% of my USD Tether, and then I'll wait for another confirmation, and then I'll add more, and then sell when we hit the support. Whenever I see USD Tether market dominance hitting the support, that for me means that there's max greed in the market. As you see in the past, if you traded based only on the USD Tether market dominance chart, you'd be like in much better position than the other guys. If you're holding for longer term, so it doesn't mean anything for you. When we go on the lower time frames, I usually look for divergences on the 4-hour chart on the USD market dominance. This is the 4-hour chart. So we are approaching the resistance level. If you put a trend line here around this area. So what I'm looking now is at least 3 confirmations that the top is in for USD Tether. So traders are not interested holding Tether around here. So going forward, I'll be looking for divergences around this area for USD Tether dominance chart, and then I'll be entering my positions in the altcoins. So I'm not going to go into Bitcoin this time, because I think Bitcoin has already topped. Now the show is in the altcoin market. So which altcoins I'm going to buy? will depend on the front runner in that category. So the whole purpose of diversification is you don't want to go diversify and buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB and Cardano. You want to diversify on different categories, because if one category goes parabolic, it's going to give you so much gains that you could double your positions on the other categories. Like CoinMarketCap, they've got different categories here, like DeFi, NFT, Metaverse, Polkadot, Solana, Avalanche. Me personally, these are the categories that I'll be looking. It's the social coins, like the coins that promote like a social media type, like a Steam. And then I've got the Metaverse coins, the heaps of Metaverse coins. But these are the ones that I've done my research and I've looked at the white paper and their websites and the team, etc. Usually in every category you'll find a front runner first, which will show the signs that the rest is going to follow. And then we've got the gaming cryptos, and then the DEX tokens. I'll be very interested going forward to accumulate some of these famous DEX tokens, like decentralized exchanges. As you know, the ACC is going after everybody. And the decentralized exchange tokens would have an edge then. So the one that I'm already in is the DYDX token. It's the DEX token. It's got the second or third highest volume on CoinMarketCap. If you come here, if you go exchanges and DEX, see DYDX. Uniswap is also good, but DYDX has got more like traditional look. It's got like margin trading. I think it's got futures trading as well. So this is going to grow so much, this DYDX exchange. As the ACC attacks these centralized exchanges, then I expect these decentralized exchange tokens to really skyrocket. So DYDX I'm already in. These are the ones that I keep an eye on. And I also keep an eye on the indices market, because I believe that the crypto market follows the stock market and the traditional stock market. And indices really shows the strength in that economy or in that stock. So yeah guys, going back to my main list, if you go back in the USD Tether, so it's giving us the signs of top at the USD Tether market cap, which means bottom formation for the altcoins. This is the weekly USD Tether chart. If you see here, see, I expect to get a full-blown rejection around here, and we have our altcoin rally, which we've been waiting for. And there's another scenario which I want to be aware of. If we break above this, we're getting this weekly close after a couple of days, and if we go close above it, that'll be a little bit of a problem for the altcoins and the Bitcoin. As you see, this time the USD Tether failed to break this resistance, and same here, it wicked up and came back down. So it's very important to have a look on the weekly to make sure it closes above or below. If it closes above, and I expect this to go hit 6.97% mark, if it goes and hit this level, it'll be devastating for the crypto. If it goes and breaks above this, the Bitcoin is going to go to 25 to 30k easy. XRP might come and retest these lows around here. Sorry guys. So if the USDT weekly closes above this level, it will mean that people are more leaning towards positioning themselves into Tether rather than the altcoins. People would normally reduce their exposure. So that's why it's very important for me to wait for 3 confirmations. Who knows, maybe we just keep going up from here in the USD Tether market cap, and the bleeding would continue on the crypto market. So going forward, this is what I'll be looking. I'll be keeping an eye on USD Tether dominance. Because Tether is the top stable coin for now in the cryptocurrency market. The other one I keep an eye on is the USDC market cap. So USDC is clearly breaking out, as you can see. It broke this level, the June of 2021 level. So things are not looking very bad, because the signs of bottom formation I see is in. Just the final flush outs, and then off we go. So in the next video, I'll be talking more about my personal portfolio, what I hold, what I intend to add more on. So stay tuned for the next video. Until then, bye guys, take care, and please note that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your research. Whatever information or every YouTuber shares with you, it's always good to double check the information. Do your own research. Eventually it's going to be you, only you, pressing the buy and sell button. That being said, I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.